Okay, y'all, so I got the chicken breast right here, the garlic bread, and the ground chicken lasagna. And you can't have no type of chicken if you don't have some hot sauce. Now, the family already ate it, but I got the Texas Pete. I want to try this for my girl, Sakia's. So, shout out to you, baby girl, because I am trying it, and I'm about to put this on my chicken. My girl had chicken wings and spaghetti. So I'm putting me some Texas Pete on here. She used this on everything. I ain't never had Texas Pete before, but I'm going to try it. I'm always using Red Hot. At first I thought it was Louisiana Hot. My girl watched. My girl used Texas Pete. It don't help I scratch my lip with this spoon being greedy. I had some ice cream earlier from Burger King. And yeah. How rude of me. I want a piece of garlic bread.
Okay. Now L.
This good.
Right here.
But I had me a piece, some ice cream from Burger King earlier. And now hit my lip with that plastic spoon and it cut it. Got some of that good old lasagna.
Right here.
I don't know what to do with this big old piece of chicken. Texas Pete ain't bad. It wouldn't be my go-to hot sauce.
Like this. Yeah. But this way, not that way.
It ain't bad though.
Start with a line, one line.
I like the
Now cross it.
Louisiana Hot better.
No, at the bottom.
Cause that's what they do.
Why would you do that? At the bottom.
My bad, y'all. I was getting it like they have Louisiana hot sauce at Popeyes, and I can't eat Popeyes chicken without their hot sauce. My sister said the bottles don't taste like
Hot sauce.
don't taste like Popeyes.
What you just do?
I need some more hot sauce. This ain't. It ain't ran down. I mean, it don't ran down. It ain't thick like Red Hot. We usually use a lot of Red. We use Red Hot. It's thicker. It's good. Don't get me wrong, but this wouldn't be my go-to hot sauce.
Hey y'all.
It wouldn't be my go-to hot sauce.
Do that.
It's good though. It's thin. You can taste the pepper.
I'm just gonna trace it.
This chicken good though. It busts. The lasagna is good. Everything on key. You already know I ain't gonna eat it all up.
Like that.
This chicken good though.
Yeah.
I know y'all hear me smacking.
Let me show you. Okay.
This lasagna good too, but I don't know why.
Go straight down. Follow the
I don't never have enough of noodles.
like that. But at the top.
And I don't
Okay.
use the
That's
ricotta
a
cheese.
trick. No, just
I don't really
tricks
care for
it.
that.
Tricks. The other one is making this.
I don't really care for the
I want to do it.
ricotta cheese like that.
I want to do it this time.
Now, before everybody in my household transitioned to being non-pork eaters and non-pork and non-beef eaters,
You like this? I like the egg.
I used to make a fully loaded lasagna.
Why?
I used to have ground beef, sausage,
I will make that.
pepperoni. Used to be so good, fully loaded.
Make another one.
All that different meat. Yeah, you need to use a lot of this hot sauce. I see why this bottle gone. I'm glad I only got a small bottle. It's too thin. You most definitely can taste the pepper in this though.
Oh, like that.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, why isn't it working?
Full good. I'm full. Alright, this much chicken left. This much garlic bread. And I did not have a lot of the lasagna.
No, okay.
But I'm full though. It really pretty much ate the chicken and the bread, but it's good. Couple bites of lasagna.
It's working.
But I hope you like this video. Make sure you share this video. Leave a comment down below.
Now make a new one.
And also,
Start right there.
comment down below what you eat and what you make in your lasagna.
Right there.
Out of all the lasagnas, the fully loaded one used to be so good. But my favorite kind of lasagna is something that nobody won't eat in here.
I know how to write my name.
And that is the veggie lasagna. But I'm full, I can't eat another bite. And my mouth is dry. So till next time, I will catch y'all on the next video.